Morning students, today we'll start the revision with the first chapter, Introduction to Chemistry. So we'll do the revision of page number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, with the revision of page number 14, an early philosophical and spiritual field of study that has made a significant contribution on the evolution of modern science will be alchemy. Then a mythical and magical substance will be philosopher's stone. Then the processes of transforming raw materials by physical or chemical methods into marketable food products will be food processing. A food preservative used in fruit products, beverages and salads is sodium benzoate. Then substances that promote attractiveness without affecting the body's structure and function are cosmetics. Now these all questions are from page number 14. Then second one is state the given statement, true or false. New discoveries and inventions in science have made our lives more comfortable. That's true. Physical processes takes place to produce numerous useful substances. That's false. That is chemical processes. The work of alchemists contributed in laying the foundation of modern chemistry and medicine. That's true. All the cosmetics that we use today are made from combinations of various chemical ingredients. That's true. The natural fibers are strong, wrinkle resistant and dry quickly. That's false. That is synthetic fibers. Okay, so now coming to the next question, match the columns with the column B. Now here I think in page number this one you can see page number 4 and 5 scientists are given with their discoveries are given, and here also scientists are given with their contributions. So page number 4 and 5 you will refer and do. Now let's see what will be the answers. Answers of these will be, see, Dmitry Mendeleev. So he discovered the modern periodic table of elements. Then Anton Lavoisier. Lavoisier discovered the role of oxygen during in combustion. Then John Dalton. John Dalton, he discovered the law of partial pressures. Niels Bohr. So it's very easy, Bohr's atomic model. And Ernest Rutherford, the last one, gold foil experiment. Now come to question number D. Explain the following terms. You have to define them only. Okay. So earlier you will find the first one, science definition, in page number 10. Okay. So the system of acquiring knowledge about various natural processes using observation and experimentation to describe and explain various natural processes taking place around us is called science. Okay, it came from the Latin word scientia. Like this you will write. Science comes from the Latin word scientia, meaning knowledge. So this much you must write in defining science. The philosopher's stone will be defined as, in page number 2 you will see the alchemy, paragraph number 3. Alchemy aimed at finding philosopher's stone, which was considered a mythical and magical substance. It was believed that this substance would turn into gold on heating with a base of iron and copper. Then see the definition of aspirin. Aspirin is used to reduce fever and treat moderate pain from conditions such as common cold, muscle aches and headaches. Then penicillin is an antibiotic that is used to treat infections caused by bacteria. These two definitions you will find in page number 8. As stated earlier, you need to answer the following questions from page number 1 to 5 of lesson number 1. First question is, write the answers in one word. First one, the meaning of the word scientia. Then second question, the application of dash has improved our life greatly with several benefits. Third number, DAS is a branch of physical science that deals with the study of composition and properties of substances. Fourth number, alchemists related their work with DAS. Fifth number, DAS was an Indian chemist who wrote a book named DAS on the various aspects of chemistry. Then the next question, write the significance of alchemy or alchemist in developing modern chemistry. Then name the scientists shown in pictures and write their contributions. So the scientists are first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and the last, this one. So you have to write the names of the following scientists, and also you need to write about their contributions. See this, and also state that the development of chemistry in ancient India with respect to this. Okay, and how can you say that?